uh, journal entry, the insurance. Actually, it is loss of goods or assets and insurance. Okay. So, can you tell me what is loss of goods and assets? And if you know about insurance, can you tell me anything about it? Whatever you know.
Like loss in goods, like if we lose them or if they get
Okay.
burned
So,
or
in
something.
business, how we will lose our stock or asset?
Like through natural causes sometimes, and sometimes because of people's mistake, the labor mistake.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, what about insurance?
Insurance, is it like same as car insurance and health insurance?
Yes. There are many types of insurance. So, what is the insurance actually? Yes. You don't know? You can tell me if you know or don't understand or don't know the concept.
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. So insurance means transfer of risk. Insurance means transfer of risk. Now, what is transfer of risk? Means if we have any asset or goods or anything. Now, uh, we have some value attached to it. Okay. And if there is any accident or fire or any other kind of thing that will damage the goods or assets, then it will be a loss for our company. So what we do, we pay some money to a company and tell them that now the risk is yours. If any destruction happen, any loss will occur to us, then you have to pay for this specific assets.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like in medical insurance, what we do, we give them a premium, which is called a premium. So we pay a monthly or quarterly or yearly installment. Okay. So it is called
Yeah,
a
okay.
premium. And in return, if anything happened to us in a medical uh, field, then they will compensate the money to us. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like someone have taken life insurance and he died, then the company will pay the lump sum amount, the insured amount to his family.
Okay, sir.
So we transfer the risk of loss. So this is called insurance. And in business, there can be many type of loss like fire and accident. Actually, you have given the answer in very broad manner. Like you have said that there may be some natural cause or there may be some man-made cause, but we have to specify that due to which things our loss can happen. So fire, accident, theft. Yes. earthquake,
Yeah.
and any right. So these can be the reason, but only we will discuss these three. Loss can be happen. Loss can happen with any of these reasons, due to any of these reasons: fire, accident, theft, earthquake, and rights. So first of all, if any loss happen, and there may be two situation here. Is one, you are still not covered from illness.
Yeah, I don't know. My cough is not going away.
Okay, you are taking medicines.
Yeah, I'm taking them.
Generally, actually, people don't take medicine on time. That's why it happens. But yes, if you are taking, it will go eventually.
Yeah, I
It
can't
will
take
take
on
some
time.
time. Yes. So insurance not taken, and the second case is insurance taken. So these two situations can happen in business. For any one item, you have taken the insurance. For any other item, you have not taken the insurance. So what if we don't take insurance? In that case, for loss, loss of stock or goods or assets, then we will write the journal entry: loss by fire or accident or theft, whatever happens. So it will be written in the portion, accident or theft, account debit. You don't have to write all three. Any one reason will be given in the quotient, so you have to write only one. So loss by fire, accident, theft, account debit. Two, whatever loss we have incurred. So if there is any assets, then we will write assets. If it is cash, then we will write cash. Or if it is a stock, then we will write purchase. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, we have not taken any insurance here. Yes.
Yeah.
So what happened to this loss? This is not going to be recovered. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. That's why it is full loss.
Lost.
So
Yeah.
transfer of loss to profit and loss. So in this case, it will be profit and loss upon debit to loss by fire or accident or theft. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write this. After that, we will discuss the concept of insurance.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First of all, you write these. Loss of asset it is.
Okay, sir.
Tell me after completing the writing.
Okay.
Done.
Yes, sir.
This one also.
Yeah. Yeah, this one also.
Okay. So you have not told me.
Yeah, I just finished.
Okay. Now the insurance taking. So the first entry, if we talk about first entry here, it will be same because the for happening of loss, for occurring loss, the entry is same. So you have to write the same entry in this also, or you can also write same entry. Okay. For second entry, here it will be a change. Now, in this case, the loss is not ours. Yes,
Yeah, it's the company's.
we have yes, we have transferred the risk of loss to the company. So we will say this to the company that this loss is yours. So this is called when claim is made for
ये जब से
claim,
लेके आज
claim made to company. What happened? You just said something.
No, sir. It was my cousin.
Okay. Okay. So for claim made to the company. Now, the journal entry for this, when you make the claim, then it will be insurance company account debit to loss by fire. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, it can be loss by fire, accident, or theft, anything, but I'm writing only loss by fire. The third entry, when claim is made, is it possible that the full amount is not accepted by the insurance company? That they will say that we will not compensate all the amount. Like you are claiming that total loss is 50,000, but the insurance company saying that we will accept only 40,000 or 35,000 like this. This can happen or not?
Yeah, it can happen.
Yes, this happens all the time. Insurance company never accept the full claim. That's why people make the increased claim, the amount more than the actual loss. Okay, so people do this, and in
Okay.
the same manner, insurance company do not accept all the claim. The full amount is not accepted. So, whatever the
Oh,
claim we will make, they will not fulfill all the amount. So, for acceptance of claim, how much amount they have accepted, this is important. So in this case you will receive some amount from the bank, not the full claim. So bank account debit for that amount that is accepted by the bank. Now whatever is not accepted by the bank, it will be transferred to profit and loss account if they have not accepted, and to insurance company. Okay,
yes, sir.
so this is the entry. Please write this. The first entry was same.
Done, sir.
So now we will discuss the quotient.
So you're stuck.
Uh, my voice is audible to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Also,
Sir, I still can't hear you.
now, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Now you are.
Just wait. Okay, I'm just giving you a question here.
Okay, sir.
Actually, the there is a loss by fire. Goods are destroyed by fire worth rupees 50,000. So there is two cases in which you have to pass the entry, case 1 and case 2. When there is no insurance, and the second, when there is insurance and claim accepted is 45,000. Okay, so now you have to pass journal entry for these two situations separately. Okay, these are two separate questions. So please
Okay,
pass the
sir.
journal. Done.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the journal entry that you have passed? And also the amount.
This first one,
Yes.
we have to. The first one is like we have to pay, so it will, right?
What will be the journal entry, I'm asking? In both the cases, what will be the journal entry?
So in first case, the journal entry would be lost by fire account to DR account
Yes.
to 5
Two.
to 50,000, right?
There will be no account on the credit side.
Yeah, it will be to purchase account, right?
Yes, it will be purchase account. Good. And the second entry, second entry in first case.
What's the second entry in first case?
Yes. Is there any second entry in first case? Yes or no?
Yeah, assets one, right? Assets lost by fire.
Assets. No, no, no. Let me show you. This any that you have already done. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, your voice is lagging again.
one. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Now you are.
Okay. So I'm saying the second entry in first case. This is the first case, and there is a second entry also for transferring the loss to profit and loss. Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So what will be the entry?
Sir, it will be loss account to debit
Profit and loss account debit to loss by fire.
to loss by, yeah.
50,000, 50,000. Now the second case. How many entries are there in second case?
Two, sir. Two.
There is three entries
In second case or first case?
in second case.
Yeah, in second there are three.
Okay. Can you tell me the name of those entry in second case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, first one is loss by like accident.
Loss by fire here.
Yeah, loss by fire account to debit to purchase
Yes,
account.
to
To
purchase.
purchase account.
Good. Second one.
And second one is like we have insurance, so insurance company account, right?
Yes, we have to make claim.
Yeah, so it will be debit account to loss by fire account.
What debitor?
Insurance company account to debit.
Yes, insurance company account debit to loss by fire. 50,000, 50,000.
Yeah, and then the third one is for accept uh, for acceptance of claim
Yes.
to bank account
Yes.
to debit.
You will receive cash or you will pay cash.
I will receive cash.
So bank account should be on which side?
So it will be credit.
Okay, what is the rule of debit credit? Do you remember the rule?
Yeah, sir.
Tell me all three rules.
Debit what come in real account. Debit what comes in. Credit what
Yes,
goes out. And in personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. And in nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains.
very good. So cash account or bank account is under which account here?
Debit.
No, no, it is on the debit, but the nature of bank account is which one? Real, personal, nominal.
Oh, it's nominal, right?
It's a real. Okay. So whenever you receive cash, the journal entry will be cash account debit because cash is a real account, and for real account, the rule is debit what comes in. So cash is coming here. Yes.
Yes, cash is
So
coming.
that's why cash or bank account will be debited, and profit and loss is nominal account. So that's why we are suffering from loss because total amount is not accepted by insurance company. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how much loss we are having here?
Uh,
How much loss
50,000.
in this?
5,000.
50,000? Yes,
5,000.
5,000. So we will write bank account debit 45,000, profit and loss account debit 5,000, and two insurance company account 50,000. Okay,
Yes, sir. Got it.
done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me if you have any doubt in whole concept of this journal entry because we have completed our chapter. Do you have anything, any doubt in the journal chapter?
No, sir. I was having the doubt in depreciation. Then I wrote the notes and it was okay.
Actually, whenever you are having doubts, you will see the notes that I have taught you in the class. Actually, 80 to 90% doubts will be clear because I have,
Yeah.
yes, yes. So actually, the things that is written there, if you remember the concept, then you will not have any problem at all.
Yeah, when I was writing, I was getting it.
Yes. So the next chapter is ledger. very important chapter. We will discuss this theory in detail in next class. What is ledger is actually, I'm explaining things. In the beginning of the class, I told you that there is a accounting cycle. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we identify a transaction, we measure the value of transaction, then we record it, then we classify it. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
so the first part is complete. Recording of transaction is done in journal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So recording of transaction is done in journal, and after that, it is not enough to record the transaction only. Okay, because if you record the transaction, okay, so you record it systematically, like on the basis of occurrence. Okay, so whenever transaction happen, you record it on the basis of their happening. Like on let's say in the morning, if there is one transaction, in the evening there is one transaction, then you will record the transaction in the morning first, and then after that the transaction in the evening. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And in the same manner, the first transaction that we have recorded today, first and second transaction, after that, let's say on the next day, if there is any transaction, then we will record it after the second transaction. So we record it in on the basis of time when it happens. So that's why, if let's say you need to find out any balance related to any specific account, then you have to go through all the books. Like in old times, there is manual bookkeeping. Like we maintain the register. Okay, actually, in today's time, we are using computer for that. But in old times, we are using notebook,
So
separate
it is
register.
a single entry system?
No, no, not single entry system. After that, actually, when we move to the double entry, then we my voice is audible.
Yes,
Actually,
it's not audible. It's stucking.
okay, actually, whenever I open the video, it happens. Actually, that's why I have to close it. Okay, so I will not open the video.
Okay.
Okay, so now am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes. So recording of transaction, whenever we record the transaction, we do it in a notebook, a register. Okay, the journal entry, the same format that we are doing here. Okay, so we record the journal in a register, and we keep it for remembering purpose. So
Okay, sir.
now, whenever we need any balance, any specific account balance, like we have sold goods to someone and they have paid money several times, and we have uh, sold goods several times to him. Okay, so there are many transactions between us and Okay, so I'm saying that whenever we record the transaction, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever we record the transaction, then we cannot find out the amount payable from to someone and amount receivable from someone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's say there is 100 transaction between us and them, 100 transaction during the year. So we have to add and less all the transaction when he will ask for his amount payable or receivable. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay. Uh, Actually, there is a problem in network again. Am I audible?
No, sir. You're still lagging.
Okay, you can see the screen.
Yeah, I can.
Right? You don't understand, please ask. I will write it down. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So 100 transaction, and you have to go through all the transaction to find out the balance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, to save time in this situation, we create a separate account for that person or any other specific account, separate account for every different account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Separate account for every different account. Now, whenever he will come, we will write on a single page. Let's say we will write on a single page all the transaction related to him, all the 100 transaction. And then we will write it like any item that we have sold will be written in this side,